Today, I'm showing you how I use Pinterest trend products feature to find a real product idea and then turn it into an actual suitable item using AI. Most people think finding a winning product means guessing or scrolling pins for hours or just copying whatever is already selling on Amazon. But Pinterest actually tells you what's trending in real time before it's everywhere else. And once you find it, you don't need a factory, a designer, or a manufacturing experience to turn it into something real. This is what I made starting from nothing but a trend and an idea. I'm going to show you exactly how I found this trend on Pinterest and then walk you through turning it into a real product step by step with AI, including the files you'd actually need to get it manufactured. So the first thing, we go to Pinterest and let's click here. We're gonna go to the Pinterest trends that we are going to find here, and inside of Pinterest trends there is something that they actually launched recently, which is called shopping trends. So it will be specifically for products that people are actually searching for and buying, ranked by outbound clicks, so we know that people are actually searching for it. And you can come here in all categories, and I'm going to choose fashion because I want to create a fashion product. So I'm gonna take a look here at what kind of product I want to create, and I was feeling inspired by hair accessories. We have hair accessories category and hair pins, so let's take a look at both. This trend is growing and it's predicted to grow even more. So you can explore all numbers. They even have the age that is searching more, and clicking more about this product, the gender, and they even have related hair accessories keywords that people are also searching for. For example, under hairpins, cloths, and clips, we have some info on related searches like hairstyle ideas, easy hair, cute hair clips. What I'm thinking, especially because we have the holidays and Christmas coming, I'm actually thinking about creating a special hair elastic for the holidays, maybe with some embroidery or crystals. And as you can see, we can also check the interest over time, even over the last 2 years, and you can see that this kind of search and products grows the interest every year by the end of the year, preparing for the holidays. So once I have a good idea of the product that I want to create to sell, and because I know that people are searching for it on Pinterest, it's a good way to see there is demand for it, making my chances of success even higher. So I got my idea. Now the actual work on the product. How do I turn my Christmas bow hair elastic into something I could actually sell? Now I will go to Genpire, the AI tool I will be using today to plan, design, and generate specs and tech packs that are manufacturer ready. And Genpire is sponsoring this video, but like always, everything I'm showing you, I tested myself. Inside of Genpire, you start by describing your idea or by using any of their templates to start planning your product. I will show you how to create a product from scratch, and later on I will also want to show you there are some ready-made templates you can use to create your products. I'm going to click on create, and here you can describe your idea. So I'm just gonna describe it very simply. I will first select product, and then I'm gonna go with Christmas hair elastic with a silk scarf tied in a bow with some Christmas embellishments. And if you have a very specific idea, you can write everything here. In case you're not so sure, you simply can write something simple and click on improve with AI, and the AI tool is going to help you create a better description of the product. Here's what it generated for me. Elegant silk hair elastic featuring a luxurious scarf tied in a festive bow, adorned with delicate Christmas theme embellishment, perfect for adding a touch of holiday cheer to any hairstyle. So once you're happy with the description, you can select here if you want to choose a realistic model or a flat vector. I prefer to go with a realistic model so I can visualize it better. Then you're gonna click on this arrow to generate and create your product idea. So it will probably ask you some questions so the AI can understand better, like, so what style of Christmas theme do you like on your hair elastic? I will go with sparkling stars. How should the scarf be attached to the hair elastic? I will go with sew directly onto the elastic. So it even generated a size size chart. Now let's click on let's design it. So here's the product it's generated. I really like it. It's exactly what I wanted, something classic. I like the color and the design. So I'm gonna just approve it and generate the back and the side view. Now we're gonna go to click on generate specs, and here we have all the product details, the photos, we have every information here, even the weight of the final product. We have the color, the secondary colors, the material and finish, how the product will be made, and we have everything right here and ready. Now, what we need to do is to generate the flat sketches and the technical sketches. So I'm gonna generate them all, so you will get all the measurements over the single details of absolutely everything. The technical sketches with full dimensions. If you are enjoying it and you want to try it yourself, the link to Genpire will be in the pinned comment so you can try it yourself. The tool will generate everything you need, even close-up images and the assembly view. So we have great images, very realistic and very detailed of the product. Then here you can either upload your labels or you can have them generated inside of Genpire. If you're generating here, upload all the required info and have it generated. Once you're done, you should go to complete, and you can either manually complete any information or have it done by the AI tool, which is what I'm going to do now. So every missing information will be completed. Once it's all done, you can download your tech pack with everything. So this is the file a manufacturer will need to actually produce your product. The measurements, materials, everything. I really love this design and the pattern it created. So now I will create some other pieces to sell from the same collection inspired by this first piece. So this time I will go to product templates, and here's some examples of their templates available for you to use. You can browse their templates and choose one or search your product type like a dress. Then you're gonna select your template, just click on use template. You can upload your logo, select any material from the library and apply it. I really like this one, a slip dress, perfect for the night dress I want to create. So I'm going to click on use template, and we have the option to add the material here, and you can browse their library of materials. So you're going to find a lot of different materials here. For example, I would love to do something very soft with silk, and what I want to do now is to upload the exact pattern that it was created before for my hair bow and use it for this product as well. So I'm gonna click on library and I'm going to upload it here, and here it's asking if I want it all over, front only, back only, or in a custom area. Because I want the pattern in the whole dress, I'm gonna choose all over and apply it. So it applied my pattern to the product. Now I need to apply the color. You can either click on colors and choose yours, or you can simply write back in the AI chat asking for the color that you want. Okay, so now I've got the color, so I'm gonna approve and generate all the other views. So it's gonna apply it to the back and to the side view as well. So now we have the front, the back, and the side views of the product. This is looking great, just like the design of the sibling gown that I had thought about. Now, let's continue with the specs. Like before, I'm going to generate the flat and technical sketches and all the information like we did before in order to get any files required for the manufacturing of this night dress. This tool was definitely a time saver, and creating everything here by myself without the need of a technical team was so easy. Now, if you already have a brand and you already have produced products before, you can get all the required files and send them to your manufacturer. If instead this is your first time, you can have it done through Genpire. You're able to request a simple order, and once everything is okay, you can order your product in a bulk order. Genpire will handle the contact with a manufacturer of their network. Now, while exploring everything Genpire has to offer, I actually found a couple of other interesting tools that I want to show you. The first one is that you can actually connect your Pinterest account, select a board as your mood board, and Genpire will help you create a product with your saved inspiration. It's so easy and that simple. And the second thing is that they even have an option to create your product images, your website photos, ads, and even social media content all inside of the platform. All you have to do is go to the studio option on the left, then you can select your product, and here you will be able to generate your images for ads based on prompts and creative styles that you need. I did some tests with my products, and the generated images were definitely great for a Pinterest lifestyle content. I must say that I thought it would be very complicated, but with the help of Genpire, it was actually so easy and helpful, even for someone like myself who had never created a product from scratch before. I have everything I would need to actually manufacture my product now. If you want to test Genpire yourself, links in the pinned comment. And if you want to see more videos like this, testing AI tools for creators and shop owners, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.